Despicable lie number 5. Catholics and Orthodox worship statues and icons. In the same way as with Mary and the saints, any worship of any object would be condemned as a grave sin. Think about it. The cross is a symbol for all Christians of the sacrifice that Jesus made. Catholic and Orthodox believers use many objects, images, crosses, and icons as tools to remind them of God. No object holds any power in itself, but God can use a physical object to extend His grace to you. The source of all power, however, remains with God. The Bible is full of cases where God used physical objects and symbols for His purpose, and these are just reminders and tools. But everything good always originates from God and points to Him. You can watch the full video called "What Are Catholics, Protestants and Orthodox All Getting Wrong?" on our YouTube channel. The link is either below or on all our social media pages.